Right, so just at George's house, chilling. What's happening, George? You alright?
Yeah, man, it's all good.
Yeah, Chris, everything alright?